How to copy YouTube Shorts link. Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to copy YouTube Shorts link. So for that you want to first of all make sure to update. So head over to your Play Store and on the search bar type in YouTube. So when you locate YouTube you simply want to make sure to update it. So if you see update and then you want to open the YouTube application and log in. So once logged in, this is how the interface will look. Now here I'm just gonna go ahead and randomly play any of these shorts.
This is the only
So let's see, this is the one. Now, in order to copy the YouTube Shorts link, all you need is click on the share button. There you have these options to copy the link. So simply click on copy and then you could find the link in your clipboard. Now there, what you could do is send it to any person that you want. So let's see, this is the one. Here is the link and this is how you can copy YouTube Shorts link. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.